Hello and welcome to Mobile Fix. In this video, we're repairing a Chinese phone with a broken microphone line. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the Mobile Fix channel for more phone repair tutorials. First, I set the multimeter to diode test mode and measure the two microphone pads on the board to identify which line is disconnected. As you can see, the positive pad is good, but the negative pad has no continuity. Now I place one multimeter probe on the positive pad and use the other probe to check the backside of the board until I find a point with continuity. If your multimeter is in buzzer mode, it will beep when a connection is found. As you can see, this point has continuity with the microphone pad. On most phones, the microphone lines are located next to each other. So if this inductor is connected to the positive line, the inductor beside it is usually the negative line. Now I run a jumper wire from this inductor to the negative microphone pad. Finally, I test both microphone pads again with the multimeter. Both lines now have proper continuity, and the microphone is working perfectly again.